I used a picture frame I got at the dollar store. Then using a 1x3, I made a rabbet cut. I then cut a dado slightly in from the front edge, and another dado 1/4 inch from the last. For the backing piece, I made it the same size of the back piece of the original picture frame. Before you cut your miters for the picture frame, make sure your saw is adjusted properly squared. I followed the length of my original picture frame to cut each piece. For the fourth and top piece, you'll want to cut a bunch of grooves throughout. Then you'll want to glue and nail all your pieces, except the top piece. I put tape and a covering to protect the project from the spray finish.